Okay, page 93. Exercise 4B, adding data to a map. You can easily add data to ArcMap from the ArcCatalog application, or easier still from the ArcCatalog window within ArcMap. So it's right here, ArcMap. Once feature classes are added to ArcMap, they become map layers. ArcGIS applications include a search window that allows you to search for geographic data on disk or across a network. You can search by name, file type, geographic location, creation date, or other properties stored in the metadata. Suppose you want to create a map that represents worldwide air pollution data. So in this video, we will add layers to a new map document and search for more data that may be useful addition to the world population map you'd studied in previous videos. So now we already start our ArcCatalog. If not, it's already open, and we browse to the folder and chapter 4 data. World Geodatabase. It's right here. And on the standard toolbar, we will going to click the map bottom to start ArcMap. So if you see Getting Started dialog box under New Maps, so click My Templates. So My Templates, it's right here. And we're going to click the blank map and click OK. If ArcMap is already open, then we can click a new button to open a new blank map. So next we will add layer to our new empty map document. So we position the ArcCatalog and ArcMap application window so that you can see both ArcCategory tree and the ArcMap display window. So now I'm going to move around that we can see both of them. There. And still have to move around. Okay. So from ArcCategory tree, category tree is right here. We're going to drag the latitude and longitude, which is here. Latitude and longitude. To the map layer. So bring ArcMap forward by clicking its title bar. So I don't have to do it now. It's added. So the layer is added to ArcMap. ArcMap chooses random symbol colors when new datasets are added to a map. So each time you drag it, they display different colors. So now we close ArcCatalog. You will add the rest of the map layer from within our ArcMap. So now, we're going to do full extent view. ArcCatalog is here, and now you see our folder already being connected in chapter 4, data, and then world geodatabase. Perfect. In ArcMap, look for Catalog tab on the right side of the display window. Click the tab to see Catalog window. If you do not see small category tab on the standard toolbar, click the Catalog button. So this will show up for you too. Right now we already have it show, but we don't have to click that. So we can dock the window to the right of the map display. So it will be very nice to have it there. Here is another way to open ArcCatalog window that we can click on the menu bar, go to Windows, and we can go click ArcCatalog. So most of the functionality of ArcCatalog is available in the ArcMap catalog window. The window can be docked or undocked. If docked, you can see the auto hide function to collapse the window when you are not using it. The catalog window shows you your folder connections and also include a home folder so that you can click things to see things. Now it's hidden and we can dock it. Now means it's docked, and if I click back and forth here, it's docked and we don't have to dock it. So when you use it, you want to auto hide bottom is right here. The catalog window shows your folder connections and also include a home folder, which points to the current map folder's documents workplace if you are working in a saved map document. So our is saved, so now we bring it up again and then we move around, let it disappear, and we will try this button and you can see they all show up. And turn the auto hide function on and off by clicking this. We already did. And notice the resulting behavior of the window when you click the map display. When you tried it both ways, set the option to the one you prefer. I prefer the auto hide because so that we can view our map data better. And we have a more space, of course. No, but everybody wants more space, okay? So in the ArcGIS window, we will go to folder connection. We already did that. And the countries will be highlighted. So now we have latitude and longitude. So we are working on this layer. And now we can do is on the catalog window toolbar, we can click the toggle content panel button, so which is right here. To see both the fire tree and the preview, you might need to drag the divider between panel to see the preview in its entirety. So we can drag it a little bit to here and you can see it better. Drag the country feature class to the ArcMap display. Countries is here, so we're going to drag to the left and we can see our country now in ArcMap. On the ArcMap standard toolbar, click the Add Data button. So it's another way to add data. And then we're going to navigate to our Getting to Know ArcGIS folder. And it's in Chapter 4, it's in Data. And we have to go to the World Geodatabase. We double click it and it will lead us to the feature class inside of the geodatabase. And then we click background and we click add. Wow, everything is gone. So that means we have to drag our country on top of it so that we can see our country. Now our map clearly needs work. The default symbols need to be modified so the map looks nice and show the attributes you are interested in. In particular, you want the countries layer to show air pollution levels. However, you won't concern yourself with creating symbology in this chapter. We will do it later videos. So on the attribute table of the countries layer and verify that the dataset includes the air pollution field called PM10. Let's see whether we have a PM10. Wow, that's a lot. PM10 would not. It's hard to view from here. PM10 right here. PM10. Very good. So now perhaps you want to add more data that pertains to the worldwide pollution data you already have, but you don't know if there's anything available. Next, you will see the search window, which is a tool to find maps, data, and tools that match your search criteria. So on the standard toolbar, click the search button. It's right here. Search button, it's right here. Or we can just click here, search button. It's the same. So now we're going, right now it's on docket, and then we click the search button right here. And then it pop up again. Okay? Now we are going to click it again. And now we're ready to type in. So this opens the search window. By default, it is placed to the right of the display area as a tabbed window residing in the same space as the catalog window. It can remain there fixed or with auto hide turned on, or you can make it float in its own space, just like the catalog window and the table of contents. So arrange the search window as you prefer. You will concentrate your search for pollution data using keywords or tags stored in the metadata. If any matches are found, the dataset and its description will be turned in the search results. First, you will create a search index to facilitate the search tool. So then click the search option button. So right here, search option button, and click add button. Navigate to the chapter folder, add, and we will go to chapter 4 folder right here, and click select, and then click we have to go back one more time, chapter 4 folder, and hit select, and we're going to navigate to this, click index new items at the bottom of the dialog. So index new items. Okay, now it might take a few minutes to complete because it's huge data, as we can see there. Okay, now while we're waiting, we can see renew item 6 minutes, and then reindex for scratching slow every is 1 minute, and we can starting at the time and skip mosaic datasets items. This will have 1 and 7. Now we have to wait indexing. When it's ready, it should say indexing status should be active and show the time. Indexing start time is that it took us 24 seconds. Wow, it's faster than the old version. In the book it says 52, which is good, pretty good. When indexing completes, then we click OK, and to close the window, and in search window, make sure the menu is set to local search. So now we look at here, yeah, it's local search, very good. In the text box, and we will type pollution, and we will hit enter. When the results are returned, you can expand the window for easier viewing if necessary. Then I'm going to drag it to the left so you can see more options here. The search function returns several matches, a map document, 2 feature classes, and several tools. Those are tools. Look, they just look at tools. This is from the ArcGIS box, and then we can see here. This is our map document and the layer, and we can see something from here and right there. So in the search results listing, click the description, navy blue text of the city's PM. So it's right here. Okay, and then we click that, and what we're going to do, this open and description in the search window, click the description. Where did the description go? Okay, we can open it up. Okay, item description. And now we're going to expand it. Okay. There. Item description, which includes the metadata description for us here. In the item description window, read the summary and the description. The metadata information informs you this feature class shows air pollution, and air pollution measures from most major U.S. cities. Population of 100,000 or greater. If you hadn't used the search function, you might not have realized the shapefile include pollution information. So now the search function highlights the important good metadata. Without good metadata, including relevant tags and item, would be returned only if the keywords were found in the item's name. So in the item description window, click the preview tab. So it's right here, preview tab. Notice the tab has geography navigation tools so that you can explore your data more closely right here. geography tools, just the same as the ArcCatalog application and the same in ArcMap, for sure.